What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. I am here today to do a very requested video, and that is a review of Drybar's Brush Crush. I got it. I did it for you. This handy little tool apparently combines the heat of a flat iron with the shape of a paddle brush to give you the perfect blowout look. I don't know if I buy it. I don't know if it's any better than my traditional flat iron. So we're gonna test it today, half and half, and see which one wins the battle. Let's go. So what I did to my hair today is I washed it and I blow dried it without round brushing it. I have really curly hair. I think it's hard for you guys to believe that. So when I blow it out without round brushing it and smoothing out the cuticle, this is what it looks like. Like, seriously, send help. Send help, it's awful. It's like a fuzz ball. No one believes me because I normally blow it out, and I typically use my Wish Hot Airbrush, which is an absolutely amazing product. It is so easy to get the perfect blow dry with that product, and it's inexpensive. If you haven't seen that review yet, I'm gonna leave it in the comment section and in the description box below, so watch that video next. That is a tool that's definitely worth having, and I also love that it's not expensive. I don't know if this tool is worth having because I haven't opened it yet. I just purchased it from Sephora, and it ain't cheap. Let's check how much it costs. So the Brush Crush Heated Straightening Brush on Sephora, on the Canadian website, cost me $189 plus tax, so you're looking at about 200 bucks. You know, we all have a straightener, right? Most of us have a straightener, 99% of us have a straightener. If you're watching this video, you're probably into beauty, so you most likely have a straightener. Is this better than a straightener? I don't know. Let's try it out. First off, I gotta say that I'm loving the color. This is so incredibly obnoxiously awesome. It's like fluorescent yellow, isn't it cute? Okay, so let's turn this bad boy on. Alrighty, so we have a digital temperature control here. We can move up and we can move down. So we can go down from 200 all the way up to 450. That's really nice because you have variation depending on the thickness of your hair and how much control you need. I'm gonna go right up to 450 because my hair is frizzy and crazy. I'm gonna do the same with my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Optima 3000 flat iron. I'm just gonna go up to 450 so that we get kind of an equal comparison. We're gonna section and we're gonna style. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is grab my wet brush. I'm gonna smooth it out. And with my flat iron, I'm gonna run it through. One pass. My hair is fine, so my hair is not hard to straighten, but one pass really does the trick. Two passes makes it absolutely perfect. Now let's try this bad boy. Two passes and also feels super straight. I would say both sides feel pretty equal. If you don't know who I am, you just stumbled upon this video. My name is Gabby. This is the place that you come to hang out and talk about fashion, do some comparison videos, some product reviews, new launches, all of the things. So if you haven't done so already, then definitely click on that subscribe button. Hang out with me every single week. I post a video without a doubt every single week, and I'd love to have you as part of the community. Okay, so just a friendly little reminder. This side is the Brush Crush. This side is my regular flat iron. Some final thoughts here. This handy little tool, it definitely works. There is no doubt it works. It works quite well. You know, it works quite well actually. You just run it through the hair and it completely smooths it out. Can we get a before? Can we get a before? Right? So you can tell that it definitely works. It smooths my hair right out. It looks very nice and soft and shiny and non-frizzy, so that's good. But I'm gonna also say that the flat iron had the exact same effect. So it looks non-frizzy, it looks shiny and smooth and soft. You know, if I were to put them side by side, I really do not think that you can tell the difference whatsoever. So is the Brush Crush worth it? The Brush Crush is worth it if you don't have a flat iron and you don't want one. The Brush Crush I don't think is worth it if you do have a flat iron, because you're going to get the same result. The thing with having a flat iron is that you can use it for different things. Like you can use it to wave your hair. I did a video on that. If you haven't seen that video, then watch that one next. You can use it to create curls. You can use it to wave or flip. You really couldn't use this to create curls. This is really a smoothing paddle brush. So if you really struggle with getting your hair smooth, then yeah, it's a good product. It's definitely effective. It's nice quality. It looks great. It's expensive and it's not necessary. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more hair videos, then click on these videos next. As always, I love you and I'll see you next week.